In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, property location.
And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Room category 1.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc.
Category 5. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen.
All this will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property, except major credit cards, and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the property is outstanding. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. These categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Deals and offers are available online for this property along with various free plans and payment policies.
If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.